The natural world is a truly amazing place. From lush rainforests to the deepest oceans, our planet is teeming with life. And some of the most fascinating creatures are also the strangest. Have you ever seen a proboscis monkey with its enormous nose, or a star-nosed mole with its bizarre tentacled snout? These animals may look strange, but their unusual features are all part of what makes them so successful. In the animal kingdom, weird isn't just about looks, it's about survival. Every creature, no matter how peculiar, has evolved unique adaptations to thrive in its environment. These adaptations can be physical, like the long neck of a giraffe or the camouflage of a chameleon, or they can be behavioral, like the complex communication of dolphins or the intricate dances of birds of paradise. These strange and wonderful adaptations are a testament to the power of evolution. Over millions of years, natural selection has shaped the incredible diversity of life we see today. And it all starts with variation within a species. Just like you and I are different from our siblings, every individual animal is slightly different from every other. Some of these differences might seem small and insignificant, but even the slightest variation can give an animal an advantage in the struggle for survival. Imagine a group of beetles living on a tree. Most of the beetles are green, which helps them blend in with the leaves, but one day, a mutation occurs, and a brown beetle is born. This brown beetle is better camouflaged against the bark of the tree. Birds are less likely to spot it, so it survives longer and has more offspring. Over time, the brown color becomes more common in the beetle population. This is natural selection in action. The same principle applies to all sorts of traits, from the shape of a bird's beak to the length of a cheetah's legs. Individuals with traits that help them survive and reproduce are more likely to pass on those traits to their offspring. Over many generations, these beneficial traits become more common, while less beneficial traits become less common. This process is how species evolve and adapt to their environments. But evolution isn't just about becoming faster, stronger, or better camouflaged. It's also about finding new and innovative ways to survive, and that's where things can get really weird. Take the proboscis monkey, for example. Its enormous nose is a result of sexual selection. Female proboscis monkeys prefer mates with larger noses, so males with bigger schnotzes have more success attracting mates. Over time, this preference has led to the evolution of the proboscis monkey's distinctive nasal appendage. Then there's the anglerfish, a deep-sea dweller that uses a bioluminescent lure to attract prey in the pitch-black depths. This lure is actually a modified fin ray that dangles in front of the anglerfish's mouth like a fishing rod. When a curious fish swims in for a closer look, the anglerfish strikes, swallowing its prey whole. And let's not forget the star-nosed mole, which uses its bizarre star-shaped nose to navigate its underground world. This nose is covered in thousands of tiny sensory receptors called Eimer's organs, which allow the mole to see its surroundings by touch. The star-nosed mole can even identify and eat prey in complete darkness using only its nose. The evolution of weird and wonderful animals is a testament to the power of nature. But as humans continue to alter the planet, we are having a profound impact on the course of evolution. Climate change, habitat loss, and pollution are all putting pressure on species to adapt at an unprecedented rate. Some species are coping with these changes by evolving new traits or behaviors. For example, some birds are laying their eggs earlier in the year in response to warmer temperatures, but others are struggling to keep up. Extinction rates are now hundreds or even thousands of times higher than they would be without human influence. It's more important than ever that we understand and appreciate the diversity of life on Earth. By studying evolution, we can learn how species have adapted to past changes and gain insights into how they might adapt to the challenges of the future. And by working to conserve biodiversity, we can help ensure that the weird and wonderful creatures of our planet continue to thrive for generations to come.